Our team works hard to ensure our clients are satisfied, so we love it when our clients provide feedback in the form of a review. It's great validation that we're on the right track. Great reviews like this one fuel us to maintain the highest level of customer satisfaction possible. Making our customers happy is one of our strongest motivation, and we strive to make our customers happy each and every day. We love reading reviews like this, and we hope it gives you the confidence to use us in the future. But don't take their word for it. We're confident you'll love the value and attention to detail that our team delivers. Call us today at the number on your screen, and thanks for dropping in on us today. Our door is always open if you have any questions on how we can serve you.